Choosing between a universal part and an original equipment manufacturer part for toilet repairs comes down to fit, function, and long-term reliability. Start with identification, not guessing. Lift the tank lid and note the manufacturer and exact model printed inside the tank or stamped near the waterline. Then search that model for the exact part number of the fill valve, flush valve, or flapper you need. If you can order the original equipment manufacturer part, that is your safest bet for guaranteed geometry, seal materials, and height settings that match the original design. If availability or cost pushes you toward a universal option, match by design details, not just by name. Measure overflow tube height, valve shank size, handle orientation, chain connection style, and flapper seat diameter with a tape measure. Use simple checks before install. Dry fit threads by hand to confirm smooth engagement, test the flapper swing and landing on the seat, and verify that the refill tube reaches the overflow without kinking. When installing, set the fill valve height so the critical level mark sits at least 1 inch above the top of the overflow tube. Adjust the float to stop 1 inch below the overflow rim, and set the flapper chain with a tiny slack so the flapper closes fully. Before finalizing, color test for leaks with a few drops of food coloring in the tank, and wait 10 minutes, check for dye in the bowl, and if present, reseat or replace the flapper or clean the seat with a non-abrasive pad. 3 common mistakes cause headaches. People often buy by brand name alone and ignore model specifics, which leads to slow leaks and ghost flushes, so always match the model and part number and confirm dimensions. Many over-tighten plastic lock nuts and crack the tank or deform gaskets, so hand tighten until snug and add a quarter turn with a wrench while holding the valve body to avoid twisting. Height and float misadjustments waste water and cause weak flushes, so verify water stops 1 inch below the overflow rim and adjust the flush valve or flapper timing so the bowl clears without holding the handle. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it simple to find local plumbing pros who can source the exact original equipment manufacturer parts or recommend reliable universal alternatives. Our site helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors and helps contractors get steady work, and we host a friendly discussion community where people trade tips, part cross-references, and installation advice.